My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Volkswagen Passat GTE. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 43,000 miles with an automatic transmission. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we can get quick access to shop, air conditioning, our user profiles, e-manager, driver assistance, app connect, navigation and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking aid. Just below the screen we have heated seats on either side, as well as our AC. If we click this button here, we can activate our GTE mode. If we click this button here, we can switch between our Eco, Normal, Sport, or individual driving mode selection. And if we click this button here, we can switch between E mode or hybrid. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.